In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off click locking on your Windows 11 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I could do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel now, select accessibility. Scrolling down underneath accessibility and then interaction, there should be something that says mouse. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says click lock, you can go ahead and click inside this oval one time to disable it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.